This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Rick Carter. You don't want to miss this one. A beautiful 2-story townhome in the heart of Ballantyne and highly sought after. School district. Complete with 1-car garage. Open floor plan comes complete with refrigerator, washer, and dryer. 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths plus a loft area with a closet that makes a great office or extra bedroom. Private backyard. West/stone pavers and fence. For questions concerning rental applications and background checks, please call 804-986-0566 for more information. Review the details below.